Third game is asking us to put things in order, more than one thing at a time. I'm going to use this diagram to do that. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 2 people each day. Nobody works both shifts each day. Leela or Lalandra or Leslie or Liliana or Laura or, okay, I'll stop. L works 2 shifts consecutively and on the bottom. So you can see that I'm reserving top for first shift and bottom for second shift. Sensible, right? Third rule, G works 2 top shifts, and they're not consecutive. So I've said G has some X thing in between her. Maybe G and then one other thing and then G again, or maybe G and then 4 other things and then G at the end again. K is on both Tuesday and Friday, and I don't know top or bottom. H and J must appear together, and G and L cannot work together. I think that's all for the rules. Let's answer questions. 14, what could be our list? 4 of these just break rules. Answer choice A doesn't break any rules. It's going to be our answer. However, answer choice B breaks rule 3. You got to have Gresha on the first shift, not the second shift. Answer choice C and D both break that Louise second shift rule. You got to have 2 L's next to each other. And answer choice E violates rule 6. And this is one of the things when they've given us, like in the other 2 games in this section so far, a complete list of everybody. It's as easy as just looking at it and checking off the things that break the rules. Here they didn't give us a complete list. They only gave us the second shift, so it's a little more difficult. But let's take a look at why E breaks rule 6. LLHJJ. All right, we've got to have K on Tuesday and Friday. We've got to have non-consecutive G's, so they can't be there. One of them will be here. And, oh, no! Non-consecutive G's, but we can't have G and L together. That is just a violation, and that's why answer choice E is out, and that leaves us only A. 15, what has to be true? And answer choice C, the question is why? Why does Joe not work on Tuesday? That's the way you'd say that in English. Why does Joe not work on Tuesday? Well, Katya works on Tuesday. So if you've got Joe, you've got a KJ in some order. And now we've got LL to consider. So we'll show the 2 possibilities. LL might be Wednesday and Thursday. Might be Thursday and Friday. We've got non-consecutive G's up top. Katya has to be on Friday. And now we run into a problem. Where's HJ? That's not HJ, that's not HJ, that's not HJ. Can't do that. All right, how about down bottom? Non-consecutive G's. You got to have Katya on Friday. Once again, where is our HJ? And since you can't get an HJ together, you can't put J on Tuesday, neither first nor second shift. I realize I've been leaving off question numbers. That's remiss. Sorry. This is question 16. If H works at the gallery on Wednesday. All right, let's use some judo. And by that, I mean we can use the weight of the test writers against them. We've been asked if H is on Wednesday, 2 days where Joe has to work. We can make this pretty simple. Put H on Wednesday. I don't care where. There or there. Now, we've got our L's together. Let's put them someplace. I'll put them here. Now I'm thinking about my non-consecutive G's, and neither of them are here, so they'll have to be here. Now I've got K on Tuesday and Friday. Now I've got H and J that have to be together. And I don't know which one is first shift. And I got one more J. It'll be there. Now, I've got J on Monday and on Thursday. Does J have to be on Monday and Thursday? No, just because he appeared there in this instance, that's not enough to tell me that he has to be. But you know what it is enough to tell me? Answer choice A, Monday and Wednesday. No, he doesn't have to be on Monday and Wednesday. He's not there. C, Tuesday and Wednesday. No, Joe does not have to be on Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday and Thursday. No, Joe does not have to be on Tuesday and Thursday. Wednesday and Thursday. No, Joe does not have to be on Wednesday and Thursday. And you see how that works. That by itself does not constitute proof that J must be on those days, but it is enough to show that J does not have to be on Tuesday or Wednesday or Friday. And just for fun, you want to do it another way? I mean, you got to have L's. Put them. We had them here last time. Let's put them here. Move them someplace. That's all I'm saying. We got to have K's on Tuesday and Friday. I don't care about that. I've got to have non-consecutive G's, so I can't put them here. One of them will have to go here, not with there. And there's my K. Non-consecutive G. I've got to have an HJ somewhere, and that HJ can't exist with Katya, so HJ will have to be here, and then there's my G, and there's my other K, and that means that's J. And you're going to get to the same result no matter what, and the point is just that if you can show where J can go, you are showing where J does not have to go. All right, question 17. There's at least one day when you have G and J together. So now we don't know what day that is, but we know we've got 4 separated days because we've got the GJ day, the HJ day, and then our 2 K days. So GJ, HJ, they're not on Tuesday. K's on Tuesday. They're not on Friday. K's on Friday. So they're either the strongest men in the world. They're either on Wednesday and Thursday, or one of them's on Wednesday or Thursday and the other one's on Monday. And I'm just doing the /J because it's either G or H with J. All right, if they're taking up those 2 days, I've got to have the 2 L's, and they'll have to be consecutive. And then I've got to have K on Tuesday. And then I've got to have non-consecutive G's, and G is not with L, so it'll have to be G, and this isn't actually a /, it would be in this order. And a non-consecutive G with a K and an H. And that is a /. I don't know who's working first shift. And then one more H. All right, so we could start there. What could be true? Gresh is the first shift on Tuesday. Not there, she's not. Hakeem is the second shift on Monday. Not there, he's not. Hakeem is the second shift on Wednesday. Not there. Joe is the first shift on Wednesday. Nope, not there. Joe is the first shift on Thursday. That's enough to get to the answer. Now, finally, question 18. If Katya is the second shift on Tuesday. All right, second shift on Tuesday. I'm thinking about LL. They're consecutive and they are either here, else here. Up here, I've got non-consecutive G's, so they can't be both here and neither one of them's there. I've got to have my HJ, so that'll be here. Here's my other G. And then I've got to have K on Friday and H and J in some order. What could be true? G is on the first shift on Monday. Not there. H is on the first shift on Monday. Yep, that could be true, just like with question 17. And that then brings this game to a close.